Hello ladies and gentlemen. First off, we really appreciate your purchase. Thank you for supporting us from SafeView Company. This is the Superfan. You may purchase this or the Rhombus 4 shape. Today we're going to install it. You're going to need a cloth or a towel and your favorite glass cleaner. It's already installed on the passenger side here, and we're going to install it to the driver's side. Okay, we're going to cut it open. After cutting it, you just make a slit like this, and it should start sliding out. Be very careful. This blind spot mirror is real glass. Do not drop it on any hard surfaces, or it'll crack and break. So these guys, these are your bases, and they swivel like that. They may need some breaking in, but they swivel. This is your mirror. You would peel this, put this on like that, and this part goes on your car mirror. Before installing, make sure you clean your glass thoroughly. And then you press firmly. After installing the base, you peel this backing off, and this goes on top of your mirror. Okay, last step.